40% chance of... Thunderstorm watch number 117, effective until 1 a.m. Wednesday. This watch includes the following counties in Wisconsin: Adams,